Hello everybody, today we're going to look at column addition. Now, there are many ways to add numbers, but this way, one of our ways that we teach in school, is a little bit complicated. So, let's do 2 examples of how to use column addition. I will write 2 different questions. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so 3-digit numbers today. 323. Add 434. Okay? Are you ready? This is how we set it out. 323, we put our addition sign on the left. Then we place the other number underneath. 434. Okay, we draw our ruler line underneath. You use a ruler. And let's add it up. We start with the column on the right. Shall we label the columns? Okay, we have hundreds, we have tens, and we have ones. Okay, we start with the ones column. Always start with the ones column. Are you ready? 3 add 4. What's 3 add 4? 7. We move on to the tens column. Are you ready? 2 add 3. 5. Then we move to the hundreds column and we add 3, add 4. 3 and 4 is 7. Our final answer, 757. Now watch this. Underneath, I'm going to do another question. Watch. We're going to have this time 329. And we're going to add 173. Are you ready? Okay, let's add it up. Who can see what's different about this question? These 2 digits will add up to a number that's bigger than 10. Watch what we do. 9 add 3 is 12. Let's write the 2 down in our ones column. Are you ready? Number 2. Where shall I put the 10? We place it up here at the top. Okay? Now, 7 add 2. We're on to the tens column. But we need to add the 1 as well that we placed there from before. 7 add 2 add 1 is 10. That's right. Let's put the 0 in. Now, where am I going to put that 10? We pop it above the 3. Okay, last column to add. The hundreds column. 3 add 1. Don't forget to add your other 1. 3 add 1 is 5. What's our final answer? 502. Okay, let's reflect on that now. We placed these 2 numbers here. Why? Because in our ones column, the numbers added up to a number bigger than 10. So we did 9 add 3 is 12. We placed the 2 in the ones column and we carried that 1 over to the tens column. We've added our tens and we got 10. So we had to place another 10 over into our hundreds column. Are you ready to check again? 3 add 1 is 5, giving our final answer of 501.